The Federal Executive Council is reviewing the Public Procurement Act to enhance more fiscal discipline. The review follows issues raised by the President on the need to reconcile the Appropriation Act, Public Procurement Law, and the Fiscal Responsibility Act. To this end, a committee under the chairmanship of the Attorney General and Minister of Justice has been set up to review the Public Procurement Act. Kehinde Amodu has the report.
Ministries, departments and agencies are being mandated to review their intended procurement as provided for in the 2024 budget. This is to identify gaps between appropriated sums and monies required to execute projects to clearly ascertain where funding is expected to come from.
Department and agencies should review their intended procurement as provided for in the appropriation, such that where there are gaps between appropriated sums and sums required to do to execute the projects, that can be brought to the attention of both the Ministry of Budget and National Planning and Federal Ministry of Finance.
Recall that in the last 17 years, the National Council on Procurement has not really been very effective. So, Mr. President has submitted to the National Assembly a bill which in fact has scaled through the first reading at the House of Representatives. The whole idea is to ensure that we have a robust National Council of Procurement.
So even though some approvals were given to projects of some ministries, the Cabinet stepped down others.
There is a decision of the Federal Executive Council to step down some memos, especially those from the Ministry of Works, until the next Federal Executive Council meeting. Now, that idea is to re-examine especially those parts that require augmentation or review.
The Information Minister is still insisting that reports of there being a concession for LGBTQ rights in an agreement between Nigeria and Samoa were misleading.
We just want to appeal. That is being taken up because we want to ensure that we give it all necessary, friendly attention before we take any further step if it fails. I hope it doesn't fail.
The Cabinet has backed the Information Ministry's decision to seek redress by reporting the matter to the Media Industries Ombudsman. From State House, Abuja, Kehinde Amodu, Trust TV News.